rubbing. Keep rubbing.
Wash his head. Oh, good girl. You want more soap?
No. Soup.
Okay, here.
Soup.
Okay, wash his head. Good girl.
Keep rubbing.
Now rub his back.
Rub his back and his neck. Get behind his ears.
Oh, good girl.
Soup.
Get behind his ears. Can you get behind his ears again?
You want to use this? Oh, good girl. Okay, now take some water and rinse him off.
I think I'm going to cry.
Oh, you're doing yourself? Take some water in here. Take some water in here and rinse Spencer off. Rinse off his back. Good job.
Oh, Fatty. Oh, Fatty.
Oh, Pressy?
No.
Good job, Presley.
Good girl.
Spencer.